Hello, thanks for watching. Today I'm gonna do another unboxing video of this, and I can tell you straight away there's probably not gonna be any guns in this box because airsofting is a lot more than just airsoft guns. So if you only want to check out guns being unboxed, this is not the video, but it's gonna be some of the gear that you just need, and you need a lot of gear when you play airsoft. So anyway, let's check it out. I got this from Gunfire in Poland, and it took me, I ordered it Sunday and I got it Wednesday or Thursday, something like that, so that was pretty okay. You can see it's well packed in a bubble blast. And the first thing is balaclava. To put away your head onto the mask. Something that I prefer to have. And next thing here is a pair of MacLeod boots. I needed some new boots for airsoft, so that's also one of the things you just need when you're running around in all sorts of terrain. So, and some keyboard rail protectors. Very nice to put on the grip on your rifle, so you don't ruin your fingers. And a new belt. Just a simple belt for your uniform pants. Also a must if you don't want to drop your pants. And the sling. Simple 1-point sling. Also not a must because I actually prefer 2-point slings, like the one you can see on the AKs back there. But this is for my CQB rifle. I like to have it a little more flexible, being able to change sides, and that's a lot easier with a 1-point sling. And just some paper and plastic. Finally, AK low cap magazine for chest. I'm doing on the AKs with different magazines. I can reveal that I am having a bit of some magazine issues with the ENL AK. I'm gonna put up a video about it very soon. And yeah, that was it for my boring gear unboxing. Just some of the stuff you need. And that's a lot of stuff you really need in airsoft. So anyway, I'm gonna put out some more exciting videos. They're gonna be coming up later this summer. Hope you enjoy them. And as always, remember to have some fun and enjoy a day. And yeah, I'll just see you later. See ya.